Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to delete the Pokerstars app from your iPhone device. So there's actually a couple of ways to do this. I have the Pokerstars app icon in the bottom left of my screen. Press the icon and hold it in until you get these options right here. In the top red it says remove app, so press that. Then confirm delete app by pressing the delete app red button right there. Confirm again by pressing delete, and that will remove the Pokerstars app from this device. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I've reinstalled the Pokerstars app so that I can show you another way to actually delete it from your device. So go over to the settings, and then from there scroll down to general, scroll down to iPhone storage, and then scroll all the way down until you find the Pokerstars app. It's this one right here, click into there, and then from there you can see a delete app button in red at the bottom. Press that, press delete app again to confirm. And there we go guys, Pokerstars app has fully deleted off this device. If the video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.